Hey superheroes! Welcome back to our coding adventure. Today, we'll learn how to make Iron Man's eyes blink alternately with his glowing arc reactor. Sounds exciting? Let's start. Step 1. Activate my eyes and arc. First, we activate both systems, the eyes on pin D7 and the arc reactor on pin D8. Pin mode 7 output to activate eyes and pin mode 8 output to activate arc. These lines tell the suit, get ready to glow. Step 2. Turn on eyes, off arc. In this step, Iron Man's eyes glow bright and arc stays dark. Digital right 7 high to lighten up eyes and digital right 8 low to keep arc reactor off. So, with pin D7 as high, the eyes glow. And with pin D8 as low, the arc stays off. Step 3. Pause a bit. Delay 300. In this step, we pause for 300 milliseconds. That's about 0.3 seconds, and that's enough for a quick blink. Step 4. Now arc on, eyes off means, now, eyes fade, and arc reactor glows with power. Digital right 7 low to turn eyes to dark mode, and digital right 8 high to make arc glow bright. This command turns off the eyes and powers up the arc reactor. Step 5. Hold again. Delay 300. With this, Iron Man's arc glows for another 0.3 seconds before the whole process repeats. Wow! And that's it. You just programmed Iron Man to blink his eyes and glow his arc alternatively. Amazing job, little superheroes. Keep coding, keep glowing, and remember, even heroes need engineers like you.